Today's practice is all about energizing the body before you get the day started. This is still a seated stretch, but it is going to give you that kick that caffeine can't. We are going to start in a seated position, and you are not going to need any props for the practice today. So toe squat, you're going to tuck your toes under and then bear your weight back onto your heels, dragging the pinky toes forward as they like to be left behind sometimes. You can place the palms up. Just taking a few breaths here. Just being mindful of your posture. Nice, proud collarbone, ears in line with your shoulders. Next, inhale, gently open the eyes if they were closed, and simply bring your hands down in front of you, keeping your toes tucked under. We're going to take cat-cow in this position. So inhale, pull the chest through, and on an exhale, push the palms away, round through the spine, chin to chest. Really spread those shoulder blades wide. 2 more. Last one. Inhale to a neutral spine and simply come forward. Keep the toes tucked under. Ground down through your left palm. Inhale your right arm up. Inhale. And exhale, you're simply going to sweep and reach underneath the left arm. 2 more times. Inhale, reach up. And exhale, sweep. Last one, inhale. Exhale, we're going to sweep and reach. So maybe you need to bring your left palm closer towards the top of the mat as you reach your right arm. Draw your shoulders away from the ears. Bring your temple to the floor. Feel that nice opening in the shoulder. Gently push into the left palm. Unravel. Right hand comes to the floor. And we'll do this on the other side. So inhale the left arm up. And exhale, sweep and reach underneath the right. Inhale, reach up. And exhale, reach. Last one, inhale. And exhale, we're going to reach. Maybe bring the right palm closer to the top of the mat. Reach. Bring your left shoulder, left temple to the floor. Gently push into the palm, unravel, and find yourself back in your tabletop. From here, you're going to step the left foot to the outside of the left pinky finger. Tuck your right toes under, pick up your right knee, and scooch your right leg back. Untuck your toes. From here, you're coming to the pinky toe edge of your left foot. We're going to drop the knee down and then squeeze it into the left shoulder. Open and close. One more, open and close. Last one, we're going to leave the left knee propped open towards the floor. You can stay here up on your palms, or maybe you come down onto your forearms, thinking about lengthening out through the crown of the head. And do remember that this is a morning practice, so if you are on your palms, that is completely okay. One more breath, inhale. And let it go. Pushing back up onto your palms. You are going to shimmy your left foot behind your right wrist, setting yourself up for pigeon. From here, square your hips up to the top of the mat. Inhale. And exhale, coming down to your depth. Just think about activation the whole time. So as opposed to being passive here, think about actively squaring your hips up to the top of the mat and holding it there. So you're finding strength and stability. Next inhale, push up onto your palms. From here, we're going to come into Dragonfly. So you're going to rotate, pull the right foot, or the left foot, in towards the groin, and fold over the center. Gently rock yourself back up. We'll close the legs, and we'll do this on the other side. So this time we are going to step the right foot to the outside of the right pinky finger. Tuck your left toes under and shimmy your left foot back. Coming to the pinky toe edge of that right foot, you're going to open the knee to the floor, or drop the knee to the floor, and then squeeze it back into the right shoulder. 3 more times. Last one here. We're going to hold the right knee open. You can stay on your palms, or you come down onto your forearms. But if you come down onto your forearms, think about reaching through the crown of the head to come down, finding length. Next, exhale, push up onto your palms, and we're going to shimmy that right foot behind the left wrist. Set yourself down. Remember to keep the strength and stability in the legs, squaring your hips up off to the front. Untuck the toes. You can stay here or come down onto your forearms. And again, taking deer is also optional here. Next inhale, gently rise. Lean your weight into your right hip and rotate. Finding Dragonfly, drawing the right foot in towards the groin, and then folding down the center. Keeping integrity in that left leg. Note if your foot is sickling forward. You can gently push the heel into the floor, flex the toes back towards your face. And gently rising all the way up, we're going to find a seat, crossing the legs. And in fact, if you'd much rather, you can find a hero's pose for this. We'll be doing a little bit of tapping. You're going to, as if you're going to hit a volley, you're going to clasp both hands and then place your thumbs at the top. And we're just going to tap along the sternum very gently. You can also open the mouth, breathe out. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Just allowing the hands to rest on the knees, on the top of the thighs. Noticing all those tingly sensations. Sealing our practice here with warm breath. Nice big inhale. And sigh it out. Gently opening the eyes. I hope you enjoyed the practice and I hope you're feeling nicely energized. Leave a comment, let me know how you got on, and I will see you back here for day 5, a full body practice to tie everything in as we end off the series.